Welcome to the Bookkeeping Course from Basics to Advanced Practice. This comprehensive course is designed to transform your financial record keeping from simple data entry into strategic business intelligence that drives growth and success. Get ready to unlock the potential of your business through effective bookkeeping. In Section 1, we delve into understanding bookkeeping and its crucial role in business. Discover why accurate financial records form the cornerstone of every successful business decision and how mastering these fundamentals can transform your business trajectory. What is bookkeeping? It's the systematic documentation of every financial transaction, creating an unbreakable chain of financial accountability. It provides the essential data foundation that enables informed accounting practices and strategic financial decision-making across all business operations. Think of bookkeeping as your business's financial memory system, crucial for making informed strategic choices. Let's explore the three elements of a business entity: assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Assets encompass everything your business owns with monetary value, while liabilities include all debts and obligations. Owner's equity represents your ownership stake in the business. Understanding these elements is vital for effective financial management. Why does bookkeeping matter? It allows you to monitor your business's financial health in real time, revealing whether your venture is thriving or struggling. Accurate records enable confident decisions about expansion, investment, and resource allocation based on concrete evidence rather than guesswork. It's the backbone of strategic decision-making. Your business, your numbers. Every successful business owner understands that behind every great decision lies great data. Your financial records are the compass guiding your business towards sustained growth and profitability. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Without proper bookkeeping, you're managing blind. Real-world impact: how poor bookkeeping can sink businesses. Learn from the restaurant that lost £50,000 due to poor expense tracking and the contractor's tax nightmare from failing to maintain proper VAT records. These examples highlight the critical reality that businesses with poor bookkeeping are more likely to face tax investigations and cash flow crises. In Section 2, we focus on mastering core bookkeeping concepts and systems. These fundamental principles form the backbone of professional bookkeeping practice, from transaction recording to systematic organization. Prepare to deepen your understanding and enhance your bookkeeping skills. Transactions, the heartbeat of bookkeeping. Every business transaction represents an exchange that affects your financial position. Learn how to identify, classify, and record these exchanges accurately, forming the foundation of effective bookkeeping practice. Recognize, determine value, and classify accounts to maintain perfect balance in your accounting equation. The double-entry bookkeeping system, developed over 500 years ago, remains the gold standard for accurate financial recording. This elegant system ensures every transaction maintains perfect mathematical balance while providing comprehensive audit trails. Understand the golden rules of debit and credit to master this essential bookkeeping method. Source documents: the original evidence. Purchase invoices, sales receipts, and adjustment documents serve as the infallible evidence supporting every entry in your books. Without proper documentation, transactions lack credibility and may not withstand scrutiny from tax authorities, auditors, or potential investors. Ensure your records are accurate and reliable. Journal: the book of original entry. The journal serves as your business's financial diary, capturing every transaction in chronological order as it occurs. This systematic approach creates an unbreakable audit trail that supports all subsequent accounting processes. Each journal entry tells a complete story, showing exactly what happened and when. Sample journal entries follow consistent formatting standards that ensure clarity and facilitate easy review by stakeholders, auditors, and business partners. These entries provide a clear and organized view of your financial transactions, making it easier to track and analyze your business's financial activities. Posting to ledger: transform journal entries into organized account ledgers, organizing transactions by account type. This process reveals each account's current balance and activity history, making it easy to answer questions like, how much cash do we have, or what were our total sales this month? The ledger system is essential for quick and accurate financial analysis. Trial balance preparation, your mathematical checkpoint. The trial balance lists all ledger account balances to verify that debits equal credits. This crucial step catches errors before preparing financial statements and ensures your books maintain perfect balance. Achieving a perfect balance means your books are mathematically sound and ready for financial statement preparation. In Section 3, we explore the bookkeeping cycle in practice. Follow the complete workflow from initial transaction recording through final statement preparation, mastering each critical step in the professional accounting cycle. This section will guide you through the practical application of bookkeeping principles. Step 1. Journalize transactions from source documents. Collect all source documents, analyze each transaction, and record them in chronological order. Regular recording prevents backlogs, reduces errors, and maintains accurate real-time financial positions. Establish a systematic filing system to ensure all documents remain easily accessible for future reference. Step 2. Post entries to ledger accounts. Transform your chronological journal records into organized account summaries through systematic posting. This process creates the detailed account histories needed for financial analysis and statement preparation. Whether posting manually or using software, this step organizes your financial data by account type, ensuring accuracy. Step 3. Prepare trial balance and adjustments. List all ledger account balances to verify debits, equal credits, identify adjustments, and create an adjusted trial balance. Common adjusting entries include recording earned interest, depreciation expense, and wages payable. This process forms the foundation for accurate financial statement preparation and period-end closing procedures. Step 4. Prepare financial statements. Create income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements to reveal your business's performance over a specific period. These reports provide insights into revenue recognition, operating expenses, and net profit calculation, offering a snapshot of your business's financial strength and liquidity position. The final verification step ensures your books are properly prepared for the next accounting period. This process involves closing temporary accounts and confirming permanent account balances, providing a fresh start for the new accounting period. This systematic cycle ensures accurate financial reporting whilst preparing your books for the next period. Each step builds upon the previous one, creating a robust framework for financial management and business decision-making. Discover sophisticated strategies and modern technologies that streamline operations, reduce errors, and provide deeper financial insights for scaling enterprises. Modern software solutions transform traditional bookkeeping from labor-intensive manual processes into streamlined, automated workflows that reduce errors whilst providing real-time financial insights. Modern bookkeeping software uses machine learning algorithms to automatically classify expenses based on vendor, amount patterns, and transaction descriptions. This intelligent categorization dramatically reduces manual data entry whilst improving consistency. Accrual accounting provides a more accurate picture of business performance by recording transactions when they occur rather than when cash changes hands. This method reveals true profitability and financial position. Align expense recognition with related revenue generation. This ensures financial statements accurately reflect business performance by showing revenues and their associated costs in the same period, enabling meaningful trend analysis and performance evaluation. Systematic reconciliation processes ensure your internal records match external statements, preventing fraud, catching errors, and maintaining accurate financial positions. This critical control mechanism protects business assets and ensures reliable reporting. Today's bookkeeping software provides real-time reconciliation dashboards that highlight discrepancies, automate matching processes, and maintain continuous oversight of your financial records accuracy. Explore the comprehensive ecosystem of modern bookkeeping technologies, from basic software solutions to enterprise-grade platforms that transform financial management. Market-leading solutions with certified advisors provide implementation, training, and ongoing support. Offers multiple solutions from simple invoicing to advanced enterprise features including inventory management, job costing, and multi-company consolidation. Modern software offers accuracy and speed, cloud access and collaboration, real-time reporting, and scalability. These features help businesses grow and adapt to changing needs while ensuring precise financial management. Modern bookkeeping software transforms into comprehensive business management platforms through strategic integrations that eliminate manual data entry and provide holistic business oversight. Bank-level encryption protects sensitive financial information during transmission and storage. Multi-factor authentication and regular updates ensure ongoing protection against cyber threats, maintaining compliance with changing regulations. IBN Technologies, with over 11 years of experience and 125 certified bookkeepers, demonstrates how professional bookkeeping services combined with tailored technology solutions reduce overhead costs for small businesses. Tailored strategies and practical solutions designed specifically for small business owners who need effective financial management without overwhelming complexity. A well-structured chart of accounts forms the foundation of effective bookkeeping, organizing financial transactions into logical categories that support meaningful reporting and analysis. Consistent transaction recording using the double entry system ensures mathematical accuracy whilst providing comprehensive audit trails that support business analysis and regulatory compliance. Period end procedures ensure your books accurately reflect business performance and financial position whilst preparing accounts for the next period. This systematic approach maintains accuracy and supports reliable financial reporting. Addressing these challenges proactively prevents small issues from becoming major problems that threaten business viability. Investment in proper systems and expertise drives improvement through accuracy and decision-making capability. Modern small businesses are leveraging technology and professional expertise to achieve enterprise-level financial management capabilities without the associated overhead costs. With a 73% improvement in accuracy, 8 hours saved weekly, and 45% faster decision-making, small businesses are thriving in today's competitive landscape. Navigating the complex landscape of financial compliance, tax obligations, and regulatory reporting requirements is crucial for small businesses. Section 7 focuses on equipping businesses with the confidence and accuracy needed to tackle these challenges. Proper preparation of income tax returns is essential for small businesses. By maintaining accurate bookkeeping records, businesses can simplify tax preparation while ensuring compliance with HMRC requirements. This section highlights the importance of essential tax records, tax preparation benefits, quarterly reviews, professional consultation, and year-end planning. Understanding payroll tax rules and deadlines is vital for small businesses. This section covers PAYE obligations, real-time information, and workplace pensions, ensuring businesses meet their tax responsibilities and avoid penalties. Financial statements are crucial for stakeholders to make informed decisions about their relationship with your business. Professionally prepared financial statements can improve banking relationships, investment decisions, and partnership evaluations, offering a competitive advantage. Budgeting and forecasting transform historical bookkeeping data into strategic financial models. This section covers revenue forecasting, expense planning, cash flow management, and performance monitoring, helping businesses align with growth objectives. Section 8 delves into real-world applications and strategic insights, transforming bookkeeping data into actionable business intelligence that drives strategic decisions, prevents problems, and identifies growth opportunities. Monitoring business health through key metrics is essential for identifying trends, opportunities, and potential problems. This section covers profitability analysis, liquidity assessment, and key metrics like current ratio, net profit margin, days sales outstanding, and inventory turnover. Making informed strategic decisions involves evaluating hiring decisions, product launch analysis, and investment evaluation. Data-driven decision-making reduces risk and improves profitability, as demonstrated by a case example of using bookkeeping data to optimize staffing levels. Detecting fraud and errors early is crucial for protecting business assets. Regular monitoring through daily cash monitoring, monthly reconciliations, and quarterly reviews helps identify discrepancies before they become significant problems. Securing bank financing through accurate records is demonstrated in this case study. By implementing recommended steps, businesses can achieve a lower interest rate, faster approval, and secure significant funding, showcasing the power of precise financial documentation. Section 9 explores future trends in bookkeeping, highlighting emerging technologies and evolving practices that will reshape financial management. From artificial intelligence to blockchain integration, these trends offer exciting opportunities for businesses. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing bookkeeping through predictive analytics, anomaly detection, and intelligent automation. These technologies enhance accuracy, efficiency, and decision-making, offering businesses a competitive edge. Blockchain technology promises revolutionary improvements in transaction security and reconciliation. With key advantages like immutable records, reduced costs, and enhanced security, blockchain offers a robust solution for secure transaction records. Cloud-based bookkeeping enables seamless collaboration and remote access, offering real-time collaboration, enhanced security, automatic updates, and scalable infrastructure. This approach supports efficient financial management and remote work flexibility. Sustainability and carbon accounting integration are becoming increasingly important for businesses. This section covers environmental financial reporting, ESG compliance integration, and carbon credit trading, helping businesses align with sustainability goals. Preparing for the future involves upskilling and continuous learning. This section emphasizes essential skills development, learning resources, and strategic thinking, ensuring bookkeeping professionals stay ahead in a rapidly changing landscape. The bookkeeper's role in business success is evolving. From strategic advisor to compliance guardian, technology integrator, process optimizer, and record keeper, bookkeepers are transforming financial data into competitive advantage. Elevate your bookkeeping today by embracing technology, maintaining accuracy, and driving growth. Implement automation features, streamline reconciliation processes, and transform data into strategic insights to support business expansion.